Today's episode is going to be experimental. It's going to be about the sulfur swamp. First, this one, we're going to talk about how the sulfur swamp formed. Due to massive volcanic activity, such as volcanoes, made tons of sulfur, and tsunamis dragged it into areas, creating swamps with large amounts of sulfur. This was very inhospitable, so microbial mats are the only thing for a while. But then, the Mars blossom, a blossom species suggested to me by Mason, my friend, evolved to eat sulfur instead of oxygen to digest their food. Inside watery areas, Antennacanthes thrived, especially ones that performed whip movement. But in shallow waters, they evolved pelvic fins to keep stable, even primitive swim bladders to an extent. These Antennacanthes were very remarkable and lived in shallow water areas eating debris. Parasites, like tapeworms, form in this place, like Lucy worms. Lucy worms have been suggested to me by Ian. They use grapplers to grip to their food and suck their blood. But what do these Lucy worms eat? Well, of course, they parasitize the dragon worm, which is suggested to me by Milo, my friend, too, along with Ian. You might recognize these guys, and I think I know why. They're actually a form of neotenous babies of this species. In frogs and toads, neotenous things tend to bloat and get very large. Same thing happened with this, evolving into the dragon worm, a species, a predator to be exact. But a more evolved version of the dragon worm inside the same clade includes this big fella that scrapes its mouth and eats microbial mats. The bogworm, suggested by Ian, uses its proboscis to eat Mars blossoms, and its shell protects it from parasites and predators such as the dragon worm. Thank you for helping me in this experimental episode, where my friends helped me. I have to give a big shout out to Mason, Ian, Cade, and Milo. Bye and have a great day.